Hi guys, this is Corso, the Review Tech. Today we're going to unbox the dual layer hybrid case for your MacBook Pro 13 inches. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so first thing we're gonna do is to start from outside the box like we always do. Okay guys, so first thing we found here is the 360-degree protection, shock resistant, scratch resistant, accurate cutouts, and dual layer design. I got this case guys on eBay for $38. I will drop a link in the description if you guys want to get one of these cases. I know it's a little pricey, but you're protecting a $2,000 investment right here. So might as well get something that is gonna cover your investment in the right way. Let's open the box. Okay guys, so we have the case right here. The first thing I found is this little card saying thank you for purchasing their case. But for me it was a good choice because I think this is one of the best cases out there for your MacBook. So here we have some information about the company. Please share, phone number, and connect to Facebook and all that. We don't need to do any of that. Okay, so this is the bottom part and this is the top part. It's gonna look something like that. Okay guys, now let's put it on the computer, see if it fits right. You can see the click part. There we go, that one click already. That one click. That one click. This is the last part we're gonna click. So just go all around the computer to make sure you place every single latch on the computer. Everything is in place. You're good to go guys, that's it. So as you can see, this case has all these are the rubber, and this is like normal plastic, and it also has the transparent cover over here. So you can still see the Apple logo. Big thumbs up. This case was $39 on eBay. I will drop a link in the description if you guys want to get this case. This is Corso guys at the Review Tech. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you on the next episode.